another day, another opportunity to practice English. Let's practice tag questions. This is your chance to practice what you've learned in Worldwide ELT video lessons. If you need more help, check out the Tag Questions video playlist in the description. Now complete these 20 sentences with the correct tag question. One. We could leave now, couldn't we? 2. She isn't coming, is she? 3. You've been to Paris, haven't you? 4. He doesn't like sushi, does he? 5. She won't forget her password, will she? 6. I'm not late, am I? 7. She can swim, can't she? 8. This tastes amazing, doesn't it? 9. You never listen, do you? 10. Everybody left early, didn't they? 11. You were sleeping when I called, weren't you? 12. He'd finished his work by noon yesterday, hadn't he? 13. They'll be waiting for us, won't they? 14. You'd rather stay home, wouldn't you? 15. She's been working here for years, hasn't she? 16. It was raining all day yesterday, wasn't it? 17. He hadn't met her before yesterday, had he? 18. They're going to stop the game, aren't they? 19. He used to smoke, didn't he? 20. Our system has been hacked, hasn't it? Thanks for using this Worldwide ELT practice video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.